welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make easy lasagna. Our ingredients are ground beef, tomato sauce, sugar, like at least 2 tablespoons of sugar, soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and some seasoning. And for our cheese, we have mozzarella cheese, butter, parsley, and the Philadelphia cheese. And for the pasta, I use the Skinner lasagna. This is a low-fat, low-sodium. This is low-fat, sodium-free, cholesterol-free food. So this is really good. To start, let's cook first our pasta, and then while cooking our pasta, we can start now with our meat. Okay, and now let's start with our meat. Alright, let's put a little bit of salt. Let's put onion. Just a little bit. Just a seasoning. And then garlic. And let's put our soy sauce. And our black pepper. Just a little bit. And now we can put our tomato sauce. We can add a little bit of water to make our meat really tender. And then so now that everybody is staying at home, we moms need to be prepared with our recipes. Actually, every day I only cook for dinner. It's because my husband every day is at work, and then me and my kids stay at home, and I only eat lunch, a very small meal during lunchtime because I don't really have time. And during dinner, I cook meal for our family. But now, since everybody's staying at home, I cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This recipe is very easy, it's very simple. You can eat this at least for 2-3 days. You have meal, so just put it in the refrigerator, and then there you go, you're ready. So now we can put our sugar. Okay, while cooking our meat sauce, now we can start with our cheese. They said that the secret of lasagna is how you make your cheese. let's start now with this Philadelphia cream cheese. I usually use 2. I don't usually measure, but for the sake of this video, I measured everything. So it's just me. I don't really measure while cooking. For making cheese, I usually use a mixer, but my babies are all asleep, so I'm gonna do it manually. And I don't know. It's just me that I don't really measure when it comes to cooking. That's why I'm very bad in baking, because in baking you need to measure everything. Alright, let's just mix it together in the butter. Okay, and you just need to add a little bit of salt. Told you, I don't really measure. And a little bit of black pepper. I know this is the first time that I'm gonna do this manually. I know it's gonna be hard, but I really don't want to wake up my babies. They're all asleep right now, but we'll see how this thing's gonna work. Or maybe I'm gonna need to use another type of food. This one's gonna work. And nope, not gonna work. Okay, let's try this one. Be creative, be resourceful. It's just so hard to film videos or to shoot video while your kids are awake. Just because they're making a lot of noises. They're making loud noises, especially my toddler. Oh, it's nothing but screaming. So every time I make videos like this, I really want them to be asleep or on their nap time. So it's easier for me. And then we can. This is parsley. This is parsley. I just love to mix it. It's a mix, you know. Let's just add a little bit of color. And I usually put this in and also on the top of the lasagna. You need a little bit of effort in here, because when you use the mixer, it's just so easy. It's just so easy. It will take you like less than a minute. Put a little bit of more salt in it. We invited my father-in-law for dinner, so I need to make this lasagna. So this is gonna be our food for the night. So by the way, this is original recipe. So for you out there that's questioning my recipes, well, this is original recipes, and I really don't follow the proper lasagna recipe because I don't have those detailed ingredients. I use mine. I use whatever ingredients that I have in my pantry. In one of my videos, I mentioned that I tried keto diet, and it really worked for me. Keto diet is like nothing but fats and protein. That's why I like it, because I love eating cheese. I don't really struggle when I start that diet, but of course I can't be on that diet for long period of time. So I just decided to be in the diet for 2 months, and it really works for me. I lost tons of weight. I lost a lot of weight. And then shifted to carb cycling. And then now I'm on my regular diet, like carbs. But I'm still watching my carbs. It's not easy, but you can do this. We want to be healthy for our babies, so we can do this. So okay, now we are ready to make our lasagna. We have our meat sauce here, and then we have our cheese, and then we have our pasta. So after this, we need to put this in the oven for at least 5 to 10 minutes just to melt the cheese, and then it's good to go. But I'll show you how to put the meat sauce, the cheese, and then the pasta. It's just very simple. We only need to do 3 layers. Preheat your oven for 380 and then put this for at least 5-10 minutes, and then it's good to go. And we are done with our easy lasagna. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the like button below. And see you on my next video.